Hi, I'm Shrek, and I was minding my own business and passed away in my Swamp Kingdom realm. But now I somehow ended up in the Greek and Roman underworld. But it is pretty neat because I have these awesome powers. I'm going to use these powers to escape. See you later.
Hi, I'm Athena. I'm the goddess of war. My powers include warfare and handcrafts. I hate Ares. Ares is my top enemy. I just want to strangle him. I don't really have any friends, but I have a friend that's an owl. Don't judge. Bye, owl. Yeah.
Oh, hey, I'm Aphrodite, and I'm the goddess of love and beauty. My powers include making love potions and making people fall in love. And I hate my stepsister Athena. Well, bye for now.
I am Hades. I'm the ruler of the underworld. My powers include this helmet to make me invisible and full control of the underworld. To be honest, I'm kind of the woman of the gods and goddesses.
I am Perseus, the god of destruction. My powers include turning invisible, and I'm really good in combat. I hate Ares so much. He's always so annoying.
I am Artemis, the goddess of the moon and the hunt. My special abilities include perfect bow and arrow aim, healing, and shape-shifting. I hate tall men.
Hi, I'm Hera, the goddess of marriage and women. My powers include getting mad at Zeus. I'm the only one that can make him mad. He didn't come today because he was too scared of me. I hate Ares. Even though he's my son, he is so annoying. I just want to slap him. Oh, bye for now.
I, Thea, am the goddess of light and sight. I shall see ghosts and paralyze my enemies. I have a child named Selene. Thea out.
I'm Selene. I'm the goddess of the moon. My powers include giving sleep and lighting up the night. Artemis is my BFF, and my mom Thea disapproves our friendship. Yeet.
I'm Ares. I'm the god of war. My powers include shooting fireballs and turning objects into weapons. I hate Perseus because he likes to troll me in this play. Rah!
I'm Spirit Ares, the spirit of Ares. My powers include all that Ares has, but better. I am a very emotionless spirit, even though Perseus still gets on my nerves. He's so annoying.
Long ago, the gods were inexperienced, learning and growing up.
Ow! Ouch. Ugh.
Here are your powers, Artemis.
Wait, I never realized I had those. Well, not until now.
Well, here you go.
Ah! Oh, my holy ramen that burned. Well, I'm out of here. Yeah.
Ow, Perseus, what's your problem?
There was a bug in your Ares, or should I say Ares? Ah!
I've lived a good full life and passed away.
Hey, Shrek, what's this?
Oh.
Wait, what?
I'm Shrek from the swamp. Who are you? Where am I?
I'm Hades, ruler of the underworld. You died and now this is your new home or whatever. Although, you don't look like a being I've ever seen before. Oh well, I'm off to eat chips.
I gotta get out of this place. I don't belong here.
Hey, it's me, Shrek. I got so much power in this realm.
Oh, hi, I'm Barbie, and I was gonna like head to this concert, and that's like my career, and so I
Here,
broke
Bobby.
in. What?
Thanks for your power. I wonder if I can absorb the god's power.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, look at you, Mr. Powerful Man. I like power. I think I'll take yours.
Hey, why are you interrupting my workout, bro?
Wyatt, it's power stealing time. Ooh, I better hide this body. All right, Shrek out. Ares was fallen by Shrek's magic-absorbing powers, but a god can never truly die, so the spirit of Ares was summoned.
Oh no, who is this? Come on, Aries, stop playing around. I know you're awake. Oh no, is he dead? How dare you kill my son? Even though I don't like him, I'll never kill him. Besides, I didn't even know you could kill a god. What kind of footprint is this? I've never seen this type of creature before. Something very odd is going on here. We have to warn the others.
Ares is still asleep because his spirit is missing. He will rest like this forever. Or wait, what is that screeching sound?
What happened? How did I get here? Everyone, Ares is dead! All I remember was being asleep for a long time. I feel whole now.
I will drain all your powers to get out of this cursed place.
I love a good battle. Everyone, attack!
Ooh, dang it. Yay.
Being the best friend God could ever have.
I know.
Hey. Ow, that hurt. I'm tired, but my spirit is not. Yay! Yeet!
Send a chill down that foul being's spine.
Hate is not the answer, Shrek. Love is the way.
Use the power of Yeet! Go, spirit!
This time, Perseus, it's Perseus.
Only I control Ares.